Hey guys, just a quick update on Disney. I did actually buy about, I think, what is it, one contract. Well, actually, I put an order for three contracts, but I think only one of them got filled. Um, Anyways, I did buy a $200 Disney call, expiring about a month out. I do think it expires in April 30th, so I do have plenty of time on this. I do think that Disney's gonna easily hit $200, especially with the news of them reopening in late April. So I do think that we're gonna keep running up. I do think Disney is gonna keep running up to 200, and quite possibly pass it for the next month. And then when Disney actually opens, there might be a slight dip after that. But I think that Disneyland's gonna keep running um, up until it actually, or Disney itself is going to keep running up until Disneyland opens. They have a lot of good things going for them. It's basically all good news for Disney right now, which is pretty fantastic. But yeah, on the position, I bought one contract or one call um, about a month out. Currently up about 9%, 10%. I'm going to be holding this for a while, so I'll see you guys later.